So sometimes when I'm tying big foam dries on, instead of doing like a regular clinch knot like you normally would for a dry fly or nymph, I actually do the streamer loop knot that I talked about in one of the last In the Weeds. Reason being, I'm fishing 3X tippet, and 3X is stronger than a clinch knot. So this knot, one, is stronger. So if I'm caught on a small branch, but usually instead of breaking my fly off, I can just like break the branch or free it. The other thing is, you'll see in a minute here, it also gives the fly a lot more movement. Sometimes a clinch knot, when the fly pivots, will like angle the fly one way or the other and not let it drift quite as freely. So basically strength and a little better drift. So I haven't trimmed the tag yet, but you can see here's my little knot. There's a little bit more movement and it's wicked strong. As you can see with our new front lean bar. Okay.
All right, you good?
Yeah, I was good.
All right. Let's see if we can get him to fall out. It passes the spinny test.
God, this looks hoppery, eh?
Yeah. On that farm there was a brown trout, E-I-E-I-O, with a slurp here, slurp there, here slurp, there slurp, everywhere slurp. Oh, right bank.
Drift on in there. Oh, hoppery. First hoppery.
Let me know if I need, that's a nice fish.
Don't rock the boat, but you're there.
That's a dandy, bub.
He's a fish.
Oh, brown.
Right side. You know there's a hopper eater wanting it there.
Damn, this water looks good.
I know. Why haven't you caught a fish?
Oh
Where's your
shit,
fly?
I just lost it. Brandon's knot just failed. We're gonna retie it.
Nothing to do with that crack on the bridge we heard.
Nice moves.
Should we report those? Take out your notepad to report that trout.
That needs to be reported.
We'll report that brown trout to the board. Unsportsmanly conduct for a perfect drift tight to the bank.
With a bit of rudeness.
Bushwhacking. Whoop.
Watch your noggin.
Just a little face whip there. Well, we've gotten...
The fish are being very disrespectful.
Yeah, we've gotten 2 weeds today. First one probably kind of screwed us because it was probably within like 30 seconds of throwing the dry fly. Got a nice like 17-inch brown that ate the hopper. And then we got nothing for a long time, so we switched flies. Got nothing for a long time on that, and then we had a little dink eat it, so we continued to fish it for like another half an hour after that dink. Now we're gonna try something small, which I normally don't do with hoppers, but you know, let's try something. This spot we're coming up to, this left-hand bank, has been a good one for hoppers for me. Along the grass here, and then there's this rock right underwater, kind of in the middle of the left channel before the bridge, that I've pulled some fish off in the past. And then we got to scout a rapid, because it's a pretty spicy one. And hopefully we don't need a portage yet, but we will if we need to. Because the river's kind of low.
World champion rod breaker. Still the champ.
Oh, you gonna catch that fish?
No, I think it was just bottom.
I don't think so.
I look for a jerk forward.
Yeah, but I'm not fishing an anchor amount of weight like you, so this one's a little more sensitive.
Probably. Okay, next time.
Give me a pineapple.
Yummy.
Nice, Ben. That was just wonderful.
Did you like that?
I really did. It's so much better.
Get it, eat it, do it. This is a good drop.
Oh, we got it. Right, the river we're floating is at a really nice flow, but it's at like 170 CFS, and for this size river, that's not like super big, so I don't think we're really gonna need a sink line or a sink tip. So instead I'm throwing a weighted fly with a cone head, but I'm gonna start out with trying 3 #1 split shots in front of it, see if that gives us the sink rate we're looking for. We will have some deep holes, but there's gonna be a lot of shallow riffles, so just play around with things.